We talk about this all the time of like, you have to have great processes before you drop in technology to save the day. Where can I save time? What do I need to do? And then how did you chunk that out into the different processes?
It was all about trying to figure out what can all the different softwares actually talk to. Once I figured out that Excel, each of the different programs I was using can actually communicate one way or another through that intermediary. Why it added efficiency was because I didn't have to hand input data from one system into the next system and keep doing that. We had the same vacuum stand at this location and another vacuum stand at another location. They always had different design loads, but the geometry was the same. And what was happening, we would get the new project and every engineer would start basically from scratch, draw the model from scratch. They would load the model from scratch. It would take like 8 to 10 hours to design one of these things. But I'm looking at it when I took the project over and I was like, this is the same geometry every time. All we're doing is changing out loads. How do we do that? Well, you can export the recent 3D model right into an Excel file. You can take MathCAD loads, override the old loads with the new ones, and then make a new RISA model. I was like, well, that's not very difficult. And now I don't have to hand input any of those loads, and it happens like that. And it went from 10 hours to about 2 hours of engineering, and now I'm consistently about 67% of my budget.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you scale something.